Imagine if in just minutes from now, you could have access to the 10 most powerful traffic applications on the planet. Better yet, imagine sending an unlimited amount of traffic, visitors, and leads to any website or offer you like. We have taken the 10 most powerful Facebook software solutions and put them all into one dashboard and platform for you. Designing incredibly beautiful Facebook ads in a snap, setting up sophisticated and automated messenger bots in just a couple of clicks, leveraging the incredible Facebook Live video technology, or broadcasting messenger notifications with just one push of a button. It's all now possible with your brand new SociCake traffic bundle. And the best part is, we are just scratching the surface here. With the commercial license, you are able to generate profits immediately. Help local companies and brick and mortar businesses or influencers with their marketing and traffic and get paid for it big time. You are getting access to 10 full-blown Facebook traffic applications for the price of one. This means that starting today, you have 10 different services that you can offer to businesses. That's 10 different ways that you get paid. Or just use them to grow your own business. It's up to you. Each of them was created to help you drive traffic and sales. But instead of buying them all individually, you can now have them all inside of a beautiful platform for an insanely low price. In fact, you get all 10 of them for the price of just one. This is our way to help you start 2019 with a bang and to make sure that you have all the traffic, leads, and sales you could ever need this year. You'll be able to use our brand new post manager to create clickable images, leverage the Soci Inviter, and so much more, all designed to generate profits and revenue for your business and for your clients. So don't hesitate and come on board now before the special deal is over. Take action right now and grab your early bird copy right away.